The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Christian County in southwest Missouri, southwestern Douglas County in southwest Missouri, Taney County in southwest Missouri, western Ozark County in southwest Missouri, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a severe thunderstorm near Ozark Beach, or near Forsyth, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Locations impacted include Branson, Forsyth, Gainesville, Hollister, Merriam Woods, Rockaway Beach and Taneyville. Precautionary/preparedness actions. This is a dangerous storm capable of producing large hail and damaging winds. If you are in its path, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows,